Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, right now let's take a look at the gold market. On gold market we are mostly interested with the daily chart because it shows some interesting moments that maybe will not be seen, can't be seen at the first glance, but they are present here. What I would like to talk about here is recent action. So recall what we have said. In the previous analysis we mostly discussed two opportunities of the upward retracement, and one of them stand on the daily chart with the possible double repo buy pattern. I don't have the 3x3 moving average here, but you probably remember what we have discussed yesterday. And the second chance is forming of the head and shoulders pattern on the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, that could trigger upward action right from this area without creating the new lows. Recent action within a couple of recent sessions shows that the chances on the appearing of the head and shoulders patterns very small, or at least it decreased significantly compared to what we have previously. Take a look at the daily picture. First of all, you can see that market has formed this high wave pattern. In fact, high wave, this is not the directional candle, but usually it could hold the following price action within some period, and further direction will be estimated depending on the breakout. So if market will break and taking out these lows, it will suggest the downward action, while if market return back up and taken out of these highs, this will tell that market is ready for upward continuation. That's why high wave patterns usually gives us significant assistance when we would like to estimate the direction. At the same time, we have another situation here. Take a look at the price action. Market has formed a shift trend to the bullish side. It's crossing this red line that is a MACD predictor. But take a look that price doesn't support the trend shifting and continue move lower. That indicates the bearish dynamic pressure. The minimum target of the bearish dynamic pressure is the former lows, its previous lows. It means that market should continue move lower and taking out of this lows. It not necessarily will be the true breakout. It could be the wash and rinse, but the lows should be taken out. That's why in these current circumstances we do not we don't want to place the bet on the possible intraday head and shoulders pattern, but mostly we will be watching for appearing of the double repo on the daily, if of course it will be formed. Because we probably could estimate the truth with the patterns and what pattern will prevail. And right now we mostly would like to make the bet on the double repo, but at the same time both of them could fail. For example, if market will break through the 1188 lows and will continue move lower, it will just tell us that no retracement will come and market stands on the road to the 1130 lows. That's in fact the same other investors expect. If you will read our text update on this gold market, you will see that the comments from the investors that Reuters has been released suggest the same. So if market will pass through this support, 12 even support will be passed. In this case, the road to the 1130 lows will be open. But still, as market still flirting around and keeps chances on the possible double repo buy pattern, we will be watching for it. We'll see what will really happen. So on the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, that's why we mostly think that this butterfly probably will be formed, and we could get this downward action maybe during today European Central Bank meeting, maybe some other reasons, maybe tomorrow's non-farm payrolls release will push gold lower. But based on this action that we have discussed yesterday, when market wasn't able to pass through weekly pivot and monthly pivot point right back up and return right back down, wasn't able to start upward action within the right shoulder when it has formed the bottom already, and right now it's returning right back down. This looks like the weakness of the market, and will suggest that minimum the completion of this butterfly and taking out of these lows, some wash and rinse or something of that sort. And maybe if market still will get chance and will get reasons for retracement, we probably could get the double ripple pattern on the daily chart. Well, speaking about the head and shoulders, personally, guys, I'd not want to take the bet on this pattern, because this recent action looks not very impressive and makes me think that this pattern probably will fail, and it will fail with this downward action. Still, let's see what will happen. Let's hope that we will get at least the double repo and finally we will get the chance to take the long position and get the retracement on the gold market.